Hey guys, today is going to be my very first Minecraft video. I have experience with PC/Windows 10 edition of Minecraft, and I just realized it is getting night and spiders are going to attack. I've tried this many of times before I got it right. So, hopefully this sounds good for you guys. Let me take this egg. Oh, there's a jungle over there. That is fantastic. Right now, I'm just gonna dig myself into the ground. Oh, no, I can't dig over here. I'm going to die. There's a creeper. This is amazing. Can I dig here? Yes, yes. Please. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Here we go. There's water. There we go. Yeah, this series is going to be called The First Mission because it is my very first Minecraft episode, and I feel like this is going to be great. I feel like that some people are going to like me better if I'm not on Minecraft. But I hope you guys like this. I really hope that I'm not going to die tonight. No, anyway, this is going to be one of my main series because it's the first mission. It's my very first Minecraft series. So, let me fix this. So, I'm going to be doing a couple other series, but this is going to definitely be one of my main series. Yes, I have played Minecraft before. Those people who are like, you're such a noob. I know I am because this is basically my first day. And I need some more... Well, I need some more time to figure this out, like professional YouTubers. Like, they had needed time to learn how to vlog. I know. Other people did. Yeah, they needed time to learn how to. So, I hope you guys can understand, and I will get better. Just let me have some time, and we will be on that journey in a jiffy. Okay, so I'm just gonna stay in my hole till it's daytime and organize myself a little bit. There we go. I want it to be day soon. Okay, so now that there was a jungle over there, or over there, or over there, or over there, I don't really remember. I think it was over there, but it doesn't matter. We are going to be going over there and adventuring, hopefully finding an ocelot and getting a cat. I really hope we find one because that would be awesome. And yeah, I want to have lots of pets and make a big mansion. And I guess we can find a place to live. Is it daytime? No. So, as you guys can see, my outfit. Let me just get nothing in my hands. My outfit. It is an animal rescuer skin. I'm so lame right now. Nobody ever mentions their skins in Minecraft videos, especially the first ones. Yeah, but we have nothing else to do here. So, I guess we can go out, but we're probably gonna die. Okay, so let's go, let's go, let's go. Wrong tool. There we go. Mobs, come get me. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Ah! Okay, so that's what I meant by we are going to die. Oh, that's what I meant to. Ah, don't drown. I'm so good at killing drowns with my axe. With my bare hand. Just die already, please. Okay, I'm going to swim away. Bye, buddy. Have a good day. I'm going to get eaten alive. The drowned is coming after me. Get my sword out and kill! Okay, he killed me. There we go. Thank you, buddy, for dying. It was a real pleasure. Okay, so let me tell you some. Well, no, I'm not gonna tell you because I want it to be a surprise. There's a lot of mobs in the jungle. There's a lot of trees in the jungle too. So, well, there's a tiger. We can get wolves and a cat. I guess we can mine some coal. We can live on that mountain. Okay, so I have no clue where this is gonna go, but it's probably gonna be around 10 minutes. So there's probably not a lot gonna be going on in this episode. Like other YouTubers have like so much going on in the first episode. And I'm like, yeah, let's get some coal, honey. And then we can like make our house in like the 100th episode. Just living in a dirt. In the dirt. Okay. This is gonna take forever. And then I'm probably gonna get eaten by that baby zombie. Why? Don't see me, please. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, baby zombie and spider. I guess we can kill the spider. But I don't really want to. Let's kill it with some rotten flesh. Shoot, shoot. Do not look at the Enderman. That's what I meant by I'm going to die. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I die. Just kidding. I'm gonna stay on this video, but let's make myself a dirt hole again. There we go. So I hope you guys are liking this video so far. It's pretty amazing, just hiding in dirt holes. Also, in this video, we're gonna try not to eat. Oh, see that? There's the skeleton. Hi, skeleton. I'm in here, hiding. Please don't make any noise. It creeps me out. Yeah, so we're gonna try not to really eat any meat because that's offensive to animals. And animals in Minecraft are just so cute. Like, how can you eat them? So I'm gonna try not to, but if I absolutely have to, I will. Like, I'm gonna eat chicken. Like, who doesn't eat chicken? But yeah, I might eat chicken because, like, well, I don't know. We'll just see where this series takes us. If we're successful, then we are probably going to be eating chicken. So that's gonna happen. Possibly. Is there anything else I can make that's going to be useful? Oh yes, let's make a block of coal. We got 6 pieces of cobblestone. Let's get more. Let's get stuff to make a furnace. But we have nothing to smelt. Okay, so it's probably daytime by now. Skelly, where'd you go? Shoot, shoot. What's up, bro? Please don't die. Please don't die. Please, I'm going to die. Yay! Okay, so bye guys. Have a good day. This is a great place to end off. Isn't it? Yeah. Bye guys.